everybody, welcome back to my Simply Sadie channel. I know it has been a while since I uploaded on here, but there's two videos coming. One is going to be the video I've been working on for the Just Add Color mug, and today's video I'm going to make some homemade chocolate with coconut. So what you're going to need for this video is just some chocolate chips or baking chocolate, whatever chocolate you like. I'm going to be using the Nestle semi-sweet morsels, and so I just wanted to try to make my own chocolates today. I'm also going to be using a little bit of coconut oil to kind of make it smoother and a little bit thinner in texture, and I'm also going to be using shreds of unsweetened coconut. So I will leave all the measurements of how much I used down in the description box, and I will also tell you as I am making it how much of each item I am putting in. And you are also going to need a double boiler, and if you don't know what that is, it's just a pot with filled with a little bit of water, and you'll need a bowl that is heat safe and that fits in the pan so that it doesn't kind of fall into the pan, and we're just going to be going from there. So I'll meet you in my kitchen, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for continuing to be on my channel even though I haven't posted in forever. I'm sorry, but I'm very excited to do this video today. So please subscribe, please like, and leave a comment if you try these out and how you liked them, and let's get on into the video. Alright, so what we're going to need for this is some water. So I'm actually going to do 4 cups of water. So I already have 2 cups in the pot. I'm going to add 2 more. 3 and 4. So 4 cups of water. And then I'm going to just take a bowl, and all I'm doing is I'm just using a bowl that fits and won't go into the pot. And then I'm going to turn on the heat to about a medium high. For the coconut oil, I'm just going to take a spoon and I'm going to just take a spoonful, about that much. I'm just kind of eyeballing it. It doesn't really have to be perfect because this is just going to give us the smoothness, so add as much or as little as you want. And I'm going to let that melt. And the brand of coconut oil that I'm using is the Vitacost coconut oil, and it's refined, odorless, and flavorless. Now I'm going to grab about a cup of my semi-sweet morsels by Nestle. I'm using these ones today. And I'm just going to put about a cup of the chocolate chips in. And I'm going to let those melt along with the coconut oil. So I'm just going to let this melt a little bit with the coconut oil. And then I'm also going to tell you what you can also use if you want to add a little bit of extra taste to this. If you want to add a little bit of salt to it, you can add some pure Himalayan sea salt, and it has this little little spoon that comes with it, and this is nice just for the sea salt. Or if you want to just add a little bit of regular like table salt to the top of it, you can. This I think would just add a little bit of nice flavor and also bring out the sweetness a little bit if you wanted that. So I'm just going to mix this periodically, and again, if you want to add a little bit more coconut oil, you can. I'm just going to leave the amount that I put in there and kind of let it melt, and we'll see how we are from that point on. You may also want to use a mold to put your chocolate in if you would like to. I'm going to use this mold today, and I'm not really sure where I got it or where my mom got it. But I have the idea of just pouring the chocolate in, sprinkling it with a little bit of coconut on top, and then putting it in the freezer or the fridge, and then I can cut them into little squares so that they're little bite-sized chocolates. But of course you can do whatever size and style of chocolates that you want to. Like I said, I'm going to use some organic unsweetened coconut shreds, and this is flake coconut, and I got this, or my mom got this at Trader Joe's, so I'm just going to use this to kind of sprinkle on the top of the chocolates when they're in their mold. And I think we're just about melted here all the way. So I think we're done with the melting process. I'm going to turn this off. And I'm just going to kind of leave it on the stove. Alright, so I have my mold here and it's on this little cutting board. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take spoonfuls of chocolate at a time. I'm actually going to take a little bit less of a spoonful to start just to see how this ends up. And then I'm just going to gently and slowly pour it in my molds. I'm just kind of, if you can see this, I'm just kind of taking my spoon and kind of massaging it, if you will, to different areas. Alright, so I'm doing the 5th one. So what I'm going to do now, so I'm just going to take some little pinches of the coconut. I'm going to put them on some of the areas that I want them to go on. If you want to put the coconut on the full thing, you can totally do that. I'm going to do that for at least 1 or 2 of them. Alright. So this one I'm going to add some all throughout. Just gonna kind of sprinkle it. Alrighty. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some pure Himalayan sea salt. I'm just going to scoop it up like this. I'm actually going to pour it into my hand. And then I'm going to use my fingers just to sprinkle some of this sea salt. You don't want a whole lot because you don't want it to be overpowered by sea salt. But just kind of sprinkle it on there to kind of give it a hint of sea salt and to kind of bring out all the other flavors. Alright, so I'm going to put these into the fridge to harden up a little bit, and then I will come show you how I would probably cut these. Alright, I just took these out of the fridge and I'm going to see if they're chilled enough to cut. So I'm going to do like maybe about 1 inch between each piece. These ones I'm going to have to cut a little bit bigger because where the coconut is distributed. So now I'm going to go by the sides and just kind of loosen it up. There's a piece I'm going to try. Oh, that's good. Alright, here's one piece. That's really good, you guys. Alright, these are really good. If you make these and it's too sweet, maybe try to use a dark chocolate and maybe with some sea salt, and maybe that'll help bring out the nice taste. But I'm gonna finish eating this piece and then I'm gonna put these ones back into the fridge to harden further. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video on how to make the chocolates. Again, if you want to vary it and add different toppings, you can. I had a lot of fun making this, and hopefully you guys try this out. If you do, let me know how you like it in the comment section below. And yeah, thanks for watching. Again, all the measurements will be down below in the description box. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you guys for continuing to watch my video, even though I haven't been on here very often lately. I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. So thank you for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!